National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Wildwood County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boners Lake, or near Lake Geneva, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Wind Lake, Rochester, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Boners Lake, Waterford North, Pale Lake, Eagle Lake, Burlington, Waterford, Springfield, Honey Creek, Kansasville, North Cape, New Munster, and Slade's Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radar.